Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 195,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.